forecast.
Yeah, it's hot out there. Actually, a pretty nice afternoon. We have temperatures near 100 out here in Phoenix. 96 in Tucson, 86 up in Albuquerque. We're 93. We have 80s up in the Texas Panhandle, Lubbock at 82. And notice out there in Dallas, they're enjoying a little cooler temperatures with some of the rain that they've been seeing over last several days in the 70s. Now, the wind speeds out of the southwest, not looking too bad. We're in the breezy category with those gusts anywhere from 24, 25 miles per hour out there, but we're not dealing with any blowing dust and sand. Your planner tonight, not expecting any rain. 7 o'clock at 87, 9 o'clock at 81, 11 o'clock will be at 78 degrees. So here's a look at our latest FutureTrack computer model, how much rain potentially we could see. You'll notice here we are in El Paso. We're looking at more of our southeastern counties, our eastern counties, because they're going to have the better chance of seeing some showers and thunderstorms in their forecast. But as we make our way through time here, you're going to notice how some of the rain begins to spread more so out in these counties. And if you look at the numbers as we make our way into the weekend, you can see some areas, the model is very bullish on Van Horn, over ½ an inch of rainfall. Not too much to Pass and also Cerro Blanca, but notice we really don't see much across town. We might be able to squeeze out a little bit up there in the Las Cruces area. But this is one of our early model runs. They'll continue to get updated as we make our way through the day, so we'll continue to keep you up to date on that. Now, as we jump ahead to next week, which includes the holiday, Memorial Day, check this out. Dry conditions expected, a little more optimism here, more bullish favoritism farther towards the north, Albuquerque northbound. We're going to be on the southern edge here, maybe right around normal to maybe looking at the precipitation amounts more on the drier side. But then when we flip it over to temperatures, below average temperatures along the west coast and much of the state of Texas and New Mexico going to be anticipating above average highs. Here's the temperatures across El Paso County for tomorrow. Temps going to be low to mid 90s, so a day pretty similar to what we had today. Doña County, La Mesa at 89, Chaparral at 92, La Union at 93, and Santa Teresa will be at 93 degrees as well. Here's our counties. The overnight lows tonight in Doña County going to be dropping down into the 60s elsewhere across the county for tomorrow. Again, those temperatures in the 80s and 90s. So 67 degrees will be the overnight low. Some occasional breezes, but skies will be mainly clear. Tomorrow, we're looking at 91, partly cloudy skies, about a 10% chance of seeing some rain later in the day. 61 overnight in Las Cruces. Your high tomorrow will make it up to 89 degrees. Also, that 10% chance for some rain. Notice your sunrise time at 5 minutes after 6 o'clock. 91 tomorrow, 94 Saturday. There's your weekend, 92 on Sunday. Chance of rain anywhere from 10 to 20%, as we've been saying. Don't cancel any of those big outdoor plans that you may have with graduations or birthdays. 90s will be here next week. Slight chance of rain yet Monday and Tuesday. And then we'll just be looking at temperatures in the mid-90s Wednesday and Thursday, Mark.